welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to make some starfish out of kinetic sand. Here are some examples that I've already made. So, let's get to it and make this starfish out of kinetic sand. So first, you'll need the kinetic sand and put it inside the starfish mold and press really hard, just like that. Then take out the excess. Make sure you press really hard so it goes in the mold really nicely and doesn't go anything wrong. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now we're done. Now, carefully put it down. There we go. Look at that. We just made a starfish. Isn't that cool? So, I hope you enjoyed our video. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.